La pluie. It came at night, when everything went quiet. A simple jazz vinyl scratch, your voice replaying in my mind. Hard droplets coming down from the window, and a loud thunder pound. The music's melancholy sound takes me back to you. Reminds me by how the rain pellets bounced off the side of the house. It mimics that same sound of you coming in the middle of the night, throwing rocks as to ring the bell to show me that you were finally around. Broke the window, knocked over the plants. What a reckless mess. Dragging along something old and red, that loud thunder pound, and the smell of fresh morning dew. That simple jazz vinyl scratch, always taking me back to you.